Good morning children, welcome to St. Claret online classes. Every day we learn IIT Chemistry in 7th class. First unit, basic terminology. Basic terminology, three concepts over. What is first concept children? Terms in chemistry. Terms in chemistry, what we learn children? What is matter, atom, molecule, compound, mixture, atomicity. So many terms we learned in the first concept. What is second concept children? Electropositivity and electronegativity. What is electropositivity? What is electronegativity? We learned already. Next third concept what children? Third concept what? Valency. Valency also we learned in before classes. Next fourth concept what children? Oxidation states are numbers. Yesterday class we learned 8 rules over. What is oxidation state definition children? The apparent charge ions is called oxidation number or state. Oxidation state having two definitions. First definition what children? The oxidation number indicate apparent charge ions is called oxidation number or state. What is second definition children? The oxidation number defined oxidation state defined as number. The number indicate the number of elements lose or gain or share during the formation of chemical compound is called as oxidation number. Oxidation number having two definitions. Next, oxidation number expressed in positive values, negative values and zero values. Some examples also we discuss children. Some members do mistake here. Carbon tetrachloride. Here carbon act as metal. So carbon oxidation number plus 4. Some children say mistake mom. So carbon oxidation number plus 4. Though not minus 4. Plus 4. Here chlorine oxidation number minus 4. Keep in your mind. Some members write mistake. Send to WhatsApp. No, I will say that book. I write mistake. Minus 4, some members who is right, I don't know. But here carbon oxidation number plus 4, keep in your mind. Here carbon act as non-metal. Metal. That's why write positive charge. Next, determination of the oxidation states. How many rules we have? 14 rules we have. Already we learned 8 rules. What is the first rule children? The sum of the oxidation number. The sum of the oxidation number of all elements is equals to 0. So, in given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all elements is equals to 0. Always, sum of the oxidation number of all elements is always 0. That is first rule. What is second rule children? The elementary forms. The elementary forms mean H2, N2, O2, Cl2, Br2, S8, Ca, P4 is always 0. Oxidation number of elementary forms always 0. What is third rule children? The oxidation number of alkali metals. Alkali metals mean first group elements. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. In first group elements oxidation number plus 1. Next rule number 4. What is rule number 4 children? The oxidation number of alkali earth metals. The oxidation number of alkali earth metals is always plus 2. Alkali earth metals means second group elements. What is second group elements? Magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Those all elements are oxidation number plus 2. Next rule number 5. What is rule number 5 children? The oxidation number of hydrogen with general hydrogen always plus 1 except metal hydrates. What is metal hydrate children? Sodium hydrate, magnesium hydrate, next aluminum hydrate. Those all are metal hydrates. In metal hydrates, hydrogen oxidation number always minus 1. Generally, hydrogen present in first group element. So hydrogen sometimes act in metal, sometimes act in non-metal. Hydrogen present in first group. That's why hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. Except metal hydrates. In metal hydrates, hydrogen oxidation number minus 1. Okay children, how many rules over? 5 rules. What is 6th rule for children? 6th rule what? The oxidation number of fluorine. The oxidation number of fluorine is always minus 1. Fluorine which group element children? Halogens. 4th group element. In 4th group element, 7th group element. In 7th group element all elements oxidation number minus 1. Fluorine, bromine, iodine, oxygen. Okay children, next rule number 7. What is rule number 7? Generally oxygen Next say peroxides, superoxides, oxyfluorides, ozonides. Peroxides mean like this. So two oxygen atoms bonded with single bond. Two oxygen atoms bonded with single bond is called peroxy bond. Single bond, this bond is called peroxy bond. So single bond, the bonded with two oxygen atoms. The bonded with two oxygen atoms. This bond is called peroxy bond. Peroxy bonds we learn so many examples. In general oxygen oxidation number -2. In peroxides, in peroxide oxygen oxidation number what children? What children? Peroxides oxygen -1. Next one peroxides. Second one superoxides. Already we learned superoxides. Superoxides mean oxidation number. Superoxide oxidation number -1/2. Next oxyfluorides. In oxyfluorides are two types. Dioxy difluorides and oxyfluorides. In dioxy difluorides mean O to F2. In dioxy difluoride, the oxidation number of oxide +1. Next oxyfluorides. Oxy difluoride. So here oxidation number +2. Those are the oxyfluorides. Oxyfluorides are two types. Dioxy difluorides, oxy difluorides. Next third one ozonides. In ozonides oxygen oxidation number -1/3. Next rule number 8. What is rule number 8 children? Rule 8 what? In first group elements oxidation number +1. First group elements hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. In first group elements oxidation number +1. Generally I will say one more point. What children? The metal oxidation number is always equals to group number. In non-metals oxidation number group number -8. Like that I will write one table before class. What the table children? Compound, group 4 group elements. Next one oxidation states. In first group elements name alkali metals. In alkali metals lithium, hydrogen, lithium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Oxidation number always +1. In second group beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, alkali earth metals oxidation number +2. In third group carbon family, boron family, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Third group boron family oxidation number +3. Fourth group carbon family oxidation number -4. So group number -8. Group number -8. Carbon which group? Fourth group. So 4 -8 -4. So next nitrogen family oxidation state -3. Next nitrogen family after that boron, carbon, nitrogen family. Nitrogen another name nitrogens family oxidation number -1. Oxygen family another name charcogens oxidation number -2. Next halogen family fluorine, bromine, iodine oxidation number -1. Next last group zero group elements are inert gas elements or aerosols or noble gases. Oxidation number always 0 up to that say 8 to yesterday up to 8 rules we learned. Today we are discussed rule number 9. 8 rules over rule number 9. Listen children, listen properly, write notes. Okay, rule number 9. What is rule number 9? Very simple. Rule number 9. First rule what children? In given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. Like this, in this rule, in given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to charge. Keep in your mind, charge. For example, I will take sulfate ion. The sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to charge. Now before first rule what we take example potassium permanganate. In potassium permanganate sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. So here how we find oxidation number of potassium +1, manganese +7, oxygen -2. So here ++7 +4 2s are -8. So 8 - 8 equals equals to 0. So sum of the oxidation number if all elements in this compound are there 0. Like this, sum of the oxidation number is equals to charge. So how is find charge? Sulfur oxide, which group element sulfur? 6th group. So here keep in your mind one exception. Generally actually sulfur metal. Sulfur non-metal, but here act is metal. So this rule explain this purpose only. So here a sulfur we take +6 only. Group number only we will take. +6 4 into oxides. So oxidation number children 4 into -2. Here 6 4 2 are 8 -2. -2. So sum of the oxidation number are equals to charge. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to charge. Okay children, if there is no any charge, no, that's why sum of the oxidation number is equal to 0. If any charge is there here, the oxidation number are equals to sum of the oxidation number of all elements equals to charge. Keep in your mind children. So what is rule number? Rule number 9. The oxidation number of in given compound in compound the sum of oxidation number, ON mean oxidation number of all atoms is equals to charge. Keep in your mind charge. Sum of the oxidation number in given compound the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms is equals to charge. What is examples of in this compounds? For example, carbonate ion -1. This is one example. Next example, second example, sulfate ion SO4 -2. Next example, nitrate ion NO3 -1. Next example, phosphate ion. Those all are examples of rule number 9. What is rule number 9 children? In given compound the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms is equals to charge. All atoms is equals to charge. First compound what children? Carbonate ion. First one carbonate ion CO3 carbonate ion. So sum of the oxidation number are equals to charge. So first this one compound. Here how many atoms will be there here? 1 carbon 3 oxygens. C plus the oxidation number of carbon plus oxidation number of oxygen. Here how many oxygens is there children? 3 oxygens. So 3 into oxidation number of oxygen. What you find here? The oxidation number in this compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms is equals to charge. So here oxidation number of carbon +4. Here we take only group number only, not minus carbon actually non-metal. But what the rule? Non-metal, if you take the oxidation number non-metal, we find group number minus 8. But here exception. Now to prove this one like that only I will write +4. So here sulfur we will take metal, like that nitrogen phosphate also. So here oxidation number of carbon +4 plus 3 into oxidation number of oxygen -2. So here +4 3 2s are 6. So -2. So this one equal carbonate ion -2. Okay children, so what is rule number 9? In this compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms is equals to charge. So here is equals sum of the oxidation number equals to charge. What is charge? -2. This is example 1. Next example 2 what children? Sulfate ion. Example 2. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to charge. So here sulfur, the oxidation number of sulfur plus 4 into oxidation number of oxygen. Here also we will take group number only. Oxidation of sulfur +6. Sulfur exhibit more than one valence, 2 4 6. Like that here sulfur take 6 plus 6 oxidation number plus 4 into oxidation number of oxygen -2. Here +6 4 2s are Two examples over. Write down note, children. Listen properly. Next we are discuss third example. This is sulfate ion. Sulfate ion. This one carbonate ion. Next one phosphate ion and nitrate ion. Next we are discuss third example. What is third example, children? Nitrate ion. Third example, nitrate ion. What is third example? NO3 minus 1. Nitrate ion. Sum of the oxidation number is equals to charge. So here, in this compound, how many atoms is there? 2 atoms. 1 nitrogen atom, oxidation number of nitrogen plus 3 into oxidation number of oxygen. So nitrogen, here we take 5. You take 5. Nitrogen which group? 5th group. So that's why we write 5. Here 3 oxidation number minus 2. So 5, 3 2s are 6 equals to minus 1. So sum of the oxidation number is equals to charge. So minus 1. Next fourth example, what children? Phosphate ion. Fourth example, phosphate ion. Fourth example. So this is third. Fourth. What is fourth example? Phosphate ion. Phosphate ion. What is rule number 9? The sum of the oxidation number of all atoms is equals to charge. So here how many atoms is there here? 1p, 4 oxygens. P plus 4 into oxygen. Here phosphorus which group, Mama? Phosphorus which group? 5th group. 4 into oxygens minus 2. So 5, 4 2s are 8 equals to minus 3. So here minus the phosphate ion. Do you understood, children? What is rule number 9? In given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to charge. What is rule number 1? The sum of the oxidation number is equals to 0. Just little bit various here equals to charge. Now rule number 1 equals to 0. Okay, keep in your mind, children. Rule number 9 over. Next one we are discuss rule number 10. Rule number 10. What is rule number 9, children? In given compound, the sum of the oxidation number of all atoms equals to 0. What is examples of rule number 9? Carbonate ion, sulfate ion, phosphate ion and nitrate ion. What is rule number 10? Rule number 10, the oxidation number of all elements group number are equals to oxidation number except oxygen and fluorine. The oxidation number of all atoms. The oxidation number of all atoms group number is equals to oxidation number. Group number are equals to oxidation number except oxygen and fluorine. Oxygen and fluorine. The oxidation number of all atoms group number is equals to oxidation number. Group number is equals to oxidation number. Here metal we take group number only. If you take non-metal, no. That's why group number minus 8. Keep in your mind. Group number minus 8. So the oxidation number of all atoms group number is equals to oxidation number except oxygen and fluorine. What is examples of rule number 10? H2S2O8. This is example 1. Examples 2, Na2S2O8. Example 3, H2O8 2 minus. H2. Okay, next I will discuss this example. First example, what children? H2S2O8. In this compound, peroxy bond is there. That's why they sulfur oxidation number plus 6. exhibit sulfur oxidation number plus 6. In this compound, sulfur oxidation number plus 6. Why? Because here one peroxy bond is there. How we find peroxy bond? I will write structures, children. So here sulfur oxidation number plus 6. Generally, you do that like this: 2 hydrogens, 2 sulfurs, plus here 8 oxygens. So here hydrogen oxidation number 2. Here sulfur. Here in this compound we find oxidation number of sulfur. That's why we write sulfur as this. So 8 oxygen oxidation number minus 2. 2 plus 2s. 8 2s are 16. So 2s minus 14. So s equals to plus 14 by 2. 7. So 7 got plus 1 oxidation state. This is wrong. Okay children, this is wrong. How is find correct? Listen. First I will write structure H2S2OH. First I will write structure. See children, listen properly. See here, how many sulfurs is there? 2 sulfurs. Middle peroxy bond is there. This is structure of H2S2OH. Double bond O, double bond O. Here double bond. How many oxygens is there children? 2 oxygens. How many hydrogens is there? 2H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many oxygens is there children? 8 oxygens, 2 sulfur. 8 oxygens, 2 sulfur. 1 more, 2 hydrogens is there. H. This is structure of H2S2OH. This is structure of H2S2OH. So here in middle one bond is there. This bond is called peroxy. Peroxy bond. Peroxy oxygen. Peroxy oxygen. What is peroxy? We learnt in peroxides. What is peroxide? 2 oxygen atoms with bonded by single bond. That bond is called peroxy bond. So here one peroxy bond is there. In peroxides, oxidation number of oxygen minus 1. Keep it in your mind. In general hydrogen general oxygen oxidation number minus 2. But in presence of peroxides, oxygen oxidation number minus 1. So in this structure, one peroxy bond is there. In peroxy oxygen oxidation number minus 1. General oxygen oxidation number minus 2. Here hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. Now you find the oxygen in this compound. Find the oxidation number of sulfur. Oxidation number of sulfur. So here this is structure of H2S2OH. Now you find oxidation number of sulfur. How is do children? The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. That is rule number 1. First apply rule number 1. Here how many hydrogens is there children? 2 hydrogens. 2 into H. Oxidation number of hydrogen we will take. Next how many sulfurs is there children? 2 sulfurs. 2 into S. Next how many peroxy oxygens is there? 2 plus 2 into PO mean peroxy oxygen. Keep in your mind. PO mean peroxy oxygen. Peroxy oxygen. So PO mean peroxy oxygen. Remaining how many oxygens is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 into oxygens. So what is rule number 1? In given compound, the sum of the oxidation number is equals to 0. The sum of the oxidation number is equals to 0. Now we know oxidation number of hydrogen. Now you find sulfur oxidation number. Next peroxy oxidation number you know. What is peroxy oxidation number children? Minus 1. So here oxygen, general oxidation number minus 2. Now you find the sulfur oxidation number. So here 2 into hydrogen which will children? First group element. Except metal hydrogen. In metal hydrogen hydrogen oxidation number minus 1. But here hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. Okay children? Plus now you find oxidation number of sulfur. That's why we write as with sulfur. Plus 2 into peroxy oxide minus 1. How many oxygens peroxy oxide is there children? 2. So that's why we write minus 1. Keep in your mind this one. Next general oxidation number we know. Minus 2 equals to 0. So here plus 2 plus 2s minus 2. 6 2 is 8 equals to 0. plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So here 2s equals to this negative value goes to that side positive. So s equals to plus 12 by 6. 6 1 sorry children, here by 2. 2 1 2 6 12. Therefore sulfur oxidation number are equals to plus 6. We understood children? Here in this compound find the oxidation number of sulfur. What is sulfur oxidation number? Plus 6. Now before generally we will find which value got plus 7, that is wrong. So sulfur exhibit 3 valences 2 4 6 7 wrong. So before calculation will be wrong. Before calculation is wrong. This one correct. In this structure peroxy bond is there. That's why we got oxidation number stayed plus 6. Okay children, we understood? Write down notes. Next second example what children? Second example. Example 2. What is second example children? Here hydrogen replaced by sodium. Hydrogen replaced by sodium. What is fine? In this compound we have one peroxy bond. One peroxy bond of which right structure children? Same structure but hydrogen replaced by sodium. Hydrogen replaced by sodium. How is right structure? Here how many sulfurs is there? 2 sulfurs is there. One peroxy bond is there. So write this like this structure. S double bond O. Here O. Sulfur valence here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Here sulfur valency. What is valency? The combined capacity of an element is called valency. Find the bonds. How many bonds is there? That bond indicate valency. So here how many bonds is there? Sulfur 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sulfur valency 6. Next here O. Here double bond O. How many sulfurs is there children here? 2 sulfurs. How many oxygens? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 oxygens. Next 2 sodiums is there. Na Na. In this structure one peroxy bond is there. -1 -1. Always find oxidation number. The sum of the oxidation number. What is rule number 1? The sum of the oxidation number of given compound of all elements equals to 0. Now you find sum of the all elements oxidation number. Here how many sodiums is there children? 2 sodiums. 2 into Na plus how many sulfurs is there? 2 sulfurs. 2 plus. Next how many peroxy bonds is there? 1 peroxy bond. So 2 oxygens. Peroxy oxygens 2. PO means peroxy oxygens. Next plus how many general oxygens? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 into GO means general oxygen. Now before I will forget, GO means general oxygen, PO means peroxy oxygen. In general oxygen oxidation number -2. In peroxy oxygen oxidation number -1 plus 2 sodiums. Next one 2 sulfurs, 2 peroxy oxygens and 6 general oxygens. Sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. Okay children, here sodium oxidation number. Sodium oxidation number. What children? Sodium which group element? First group element. First group elements we have how many elements? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So in first group elements all of you learn group wise elements. Very important. Must and should all of you learn 8 group elements. First group, second group, third group, fourth group, 8 groups only. Fifth group, sixth group, seventh group. Next halogen group. So we have noble gas elements 6. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Up to 8 group elements compulsory we should learn. Okay children? So yes, what which group element? First group element. So oxidation number +1 plus 2 sulfur. Why because I will write as the sulfur. Now find the oxidation number sulfur. That's why I will write as the sulfur. Plus 2. Next one peroxy oxygen -1. Keep in your mind in peroxides oxidation number -1. General oxidation number -2 equals to 0. So here +2 plus 2s -2 6 2s are 12 equals to 0. Here +2 -2 cancel. This minus convert to plus. Yes 2s equals to plus 12. S equals to plus 12 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 6. In this compound, sulfur oxidation number equals to plus 6. Okay children, plus 6. Second compound what children? Na2S2OH. What is rule number 10? The oxidation number of all atoms group number is equals to oxidation number except oxygen and fluorine. Peroxygen, you find the got different value. In this compound, find the oxidation number plus 6. Okay children. Next example. Okay. Today we learn two rules. Rule number 9, rule number 10. What is rule number 9 children? The sum of the oxidation number of all elements is equals to charge. What is examples we learn? What is example? Sulfate ion, carbide ion, phosphate ion, nitrate ion. Next rule number 10 what children? The sum of the oxidation number of all atoms group number is equals to oxidation number except oxygen and fluorines. So we discussed two compounds. First compound H2S2OH. In that compound sulfur oxidation number plus 6. Then second example Na2S2OH. In this compound oxidation number of sulfur plus 6. Children, all of you write notes neatly. All rules one by one. Today how many rules we learn? 10 rules. Okay, all of you write 10 rules notes. I will send some bits. You do that bits children. Thank you. See you tomorrow.